guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how I make my homemade taco seasoning. So for this video you will need some ground black pepper, and you will be needing some cayenne pepper, and you need some onion powder, some garlic powder, and you will need some chili powder, and I am using smoked paprika and some cumin powder, and you will also be needing some type of measurement tool, and then a Ziploc bag just to shake everything up. Please check the description box where I will list everything I use in this video for you guys. So let's get cooking, guys. Alright guys, so to start I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of each spice. So it's really easy and simple. I don't know if you guys remember, but a couple months ago I shared with you guys my homemade taco recipe, and I said I was going to show you guys how I make the seasoning, and a lot of you have been hitting me up asking me for that recipe. So this is why I'm sharing this with you guys. So I'm basically using 1 tablespoon of each spice. So 1 tablespoon of this, just eyeballing. So 1 tablespoon of my cumin, 1 tablespoon of my smoked paprika. I'm using half a tablespoon measurement, so that's why you see I'm doing 2. And then as far as salt in this, you can add whatever amount of salt you want. Just make sure you go easy on the salt. That's the reason why we don't buy the store-bought one, the packaged one, because we want to make sure we are in control of our salt. Of course, everything except the cayenne pepper, I'm going to be using a little less than half a tablespoon, just because of course it's spicy, it got plenty of heat, so we don't want to overdo it. And then the black pepper as well, I'm going to be doing half a tablespoon, and that's pretty much it. Now you just want to make sure you mix everything up. Like I said, you can definitely add your salt to your meat when you're making the taco meat. That way you can have control of it. But if you guys haven't, please don't forget to go follow me on Instagram, and of course go like my Facebook page. Come snap with me on Snapchat, and also go check me out on Twitter as well, and on Pinterest. And don't forget to check out my other channel, my Creole channel. I will leave all the links for them down in the description box. Just shaking it up really well. And if you are new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you can get notified every time I upload a video. And this is pretty much it. Like I said, I just store this in my cupboard, and then I put it, I use it as my taco seasoning when I make tacos or chicken tacos, beef tacos, whatever. But this is how I make my taco seasoning. I know you guys have been asking for it, and sorry this video is late. But this will do it for this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment, like, and share. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.